Did I tape them? Oh.
Ooh.
Shut up.
Look. You have some sweatpants and a pink shirt. See?
Rating the show. This girl.
Okay, huh? The grandma thought you was running the show.
Okay. You want to open our gift from Auntie Net? No. Oh, should we just get the VS for it?
Oh.
Okay, open this one. Go ahead, keep opening. Look. What do you have there? See music?
She's like incarnations.
See, you can make your own band.
My mommy and daddy, grandma.
Band in the
We
box.
all get an instrument. Mark can't have a tambourine.
That's right.
What Brown say?
Do you want to open this gift from Auntie Net? Okay, let's open this one. From Auntie Net.
I guess you say she's tired now.
I know,
Are you
right?
done? Yeah, let's see what you got.
There you go, Tink.
Look.
Oh, look. You and me. Baby doll. You see, you have a baby like
See,
from
she
school.
kind of smiled there.
See, this is a baby
Yeah.
from school.
She looking
Yeah,
hot,
that's
too.
from school. Let's see, we have one more from Auntie Net.
I think she's ready to play with that.
You want to play with your doll?
She's trying to take the doll out. She's ready to play with it.
Okay, we'll open this, and then we got one more gift that goes with the doll.
Let me guess, the rocking chair?
Okay, you want to open this one while Mommy gets this together? Let's open this one. Let's go with your dog.
No, she wants the doll. She's looking creative.
Okay, we're going to open this.
Thank you, Jesus, for a wonderful dinner, wonderful day, wonderful day.
Here we go. Take her out. Here you go. See, that's your baby.
Open your box.
You want to open this one too? Let's see. Yeah, let's see what it is. Okay, I never find this pen.
That's how you measure the box. Oh, a little stroller? Shit, I'm knowing.
Look! Auntie Nat brought you a stroller! So you can... Uh-oh. Oh, you gotta be kidding me.
What happened?
It might be bent. Might have to go.
Where's the little bean that go with the baby?
Yeah, I think I bought that just for you. Smile.
Say ooh.
No, I sent it.
No, why not?
Say thank you, Auntie Ned. Thank you, Auntie Marty. Yeah, you wave. Can you say thank you? See, they send you all these wonderful gifts. Say we'll put pictures up soon and we'll put the video up soon. Can you say wave bye-bye? Bye-bye, aunties.